What is up, everyone? Today, I am going to show you how to craft these epic paper claws. Let's get started. First, you are going to need a standard sheet of A4 paper. Take the corner and bring it down just like this. Make sure your edges are perfectly lined up before you crease it down. Next, we are going to take this corner and fold it down to meet the edge, forming a house-like shape. These epic paper claws. They are absolutely perfect for cosplay, Halloween, or just showing off to your friend. Now, we're just going to repeat that same move on the other side. It looks a bit messy now, but trust the process, it's about to look amazing. We're almost to the final tuck, and that's when the magic happens. Just a few more folds and you'll have a professional grade cosplay prop. Once that is set, fold these two bottom corners upward into the center, creating a clean diamond shape. Accuracy is key here if you want a sharp looking claw. By the way, what color are you making your claws? Let me know in the comments. Are you making these for a specific costume or just for fun? Now, take that bottom section and fold it right up over the top to create a large triangle. To find our center guide, fold that triangle in half and then open it back up. This crease is going to be our roadmap for the final steps. Align one side with that center crease we just made. Now, start rolling the paper over itself. Be sure to keep it tight and keep it even. Roll it all the way until you reach the very end. We are going to tuck it securely into this little pocket right here. This locks everything in place so your claw does not fall apart when you are wearing. Just slide it in and press it flat. Now, just open up the main pocket, slide your finger in, and there you have it. Your DIY paper claw is officially ready for action. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more crafts, and share this video with your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.